Alright, let's get straight to the point. If you've ever wanted to unlock all those premium CapCut features without paying a monthly fee, I've got a 100% legal and super simple method you need to hear about. CapCut is this insanely popular AI-powered app from ByteDance. Editing on your phone, editing on your laptop, editing in your browser. CapCut's got you covered. Basic trimming and splitting, text-to-video, AI avatars, background noise removal. Now, most of these features are totally free, but some of the coolest tools are locked behind a paywall. Watermark-free exports cloud storage pro-level AI effects. That's where most people stop. But not you. You don't need to break the rules. Risk your device with sketchy downloads or share your account. Instead, you can buy 100% legit CapCut Pro subscriptions from authorized resellers like Etokom.com. Etokom partners directly with ByteDance. That means you're getting no watermarks, advanced AI cloud storage, everything at a fraction of the cost. Let me break down how it works. Step 1. Go to Etokom.com. Step 2. Search for CapCut Pro, monthly, yearly, lifetime deals. Step 3. Pick your plan, check out securely. You'll get a code or login details for your Pro account, straight from ByteDance's official system. No shady logins, no risk of losing your work. And best of all, it's totally above board. Export in 4K at 60 frames per second, use all the AI video and image tools, collaborate with your team in the cloud, upload directly to TikTok or wherever you want, without those annoying watermarks. If you're a content creator, an influencer, or just someone who wants your videos to stand out, does this really work? Yes, thousands of creators are already using Etokom, and the reviews are solid. So if you want to take your video editing to the next level, skip the monthly fees and stay 100% legal. Check out Etokom.com for CapCut Pro. If you found this tip helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments what feature you're most excited to try out with CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing.